Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Express Water RO filter set, specifically the 1-year replacement filters. If you're looking for a reliable way to ensure your drinking water is clean and safe, you're in the right place. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Express Water 1-year reverse osmosis system replacement filter set includes 8 filters designed to keep your water purification system running smoothly. This set is essential for anyone who already owns an Express Water reverse osmosis system. Each filter is engineered to work together, ensuring the highest quality of water possible right from your tap. One of the standout features of this filter set is its ability to remove up to 99.99% of contaminants from your water. This includes harmful substances like chlorine, lead, and other impurities that can affect both the taste and health benefits of your drinking water. With this system, you can experience what water is truly meant to taste like: pure, fresh, and clean. The set includes a 100 GPD, gallons per day, RO membrane, along with carbon GAC, ACB, PAC filters, and sediment SED filters. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the filtration process. The sediment filter captures larger particles and debris, while the carbon filters work to eliminate chlorine and improve the overall taste and odor of the water. The RO membrane is the piece de resistance, providing the final layer of filtration that ensures your water is as clean as possible. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who is health conscious and values high-quality drinking water, this filter set is for you. It's perfect for families, individuals, or anyone who prefers to have access to clean water at home. Whether you're filling up your water bottles for the gym, cooking, or just enjoying a refreshing glass of water, having a reliable filtration system is essential. Practical use cases for the Express Water RO filter set are numerous. If you live in an area with hard water or high levels of contaminants, this system can give you peace of mind. It's also great for those who enjoy making coffee or tea, as the quality of the water directly influences the flavor of your beverages. Additionally, if you're a parent, knowing that your children are drinking safe and clean water is incredibly important. This filter set can help you achieve that without the hassle of constantly purchasing bottled water. One of the highlights of the Express Water replacement filters is that they are made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. You won't have to worry about changing filters too frequently, which allows you to focus on enjoying your clean water without interruption. Moreover, Express Water also provides on-demand support from experts who can answer any questions you may have regarding the replacement filters or your water filtration system in general. This level of customer service is invaluable, especially if you're new to reverse osmosis systems. In summary, the Express Water 1-year replacement filters are a fantastic investment for anyone serious about maintaining their water quality. With a comprehensive set of filters designed to work in harmony, you'll be drinking the healthiest water possible. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.